Killer Mike partnered with some other business people in Atlanta. One being Mr. Andrew Young, former mayor of Atlanta, and Ryan Glover, who's the founder of Bounce TV, a television network. These three gentlemen got together and decided we need to empower our communities. And how do we do that financially? How do we empower the black community financially, the black economy, if you will? How do we build wealth? And most know that building wealth, the best way to build wealth is through ownership, particularly home ownership. And a lot of times, there's been times in our history, in our recent history, where black folks were not being approved for loans, business loans, home loans, at the same rate as white counterparts. There have had to be laws in place to help with that, to curtail that, if you will. Therefore, these gentlemen want to do something about it. They want to do their part. So their part is creating a black bank. The great thing about this black bank, what I'm hearing is it is is digital, online banking, which 65% of Americans bank online at this point. I don't care to ever go into a bank structure. If I ever have to, it's very, very much of an inconvenience. And even with COVID going on right now, I don't think most people don't really care to either. But it's an online bank, FDIC insured up to $250K. I think that may be one big difference, but maybe a little higher at bigger banks. But it's a brand new bank. They are definitely catering towards black folks. I don't think they deny anyone that's not black, but I think it's definitely catering toward black folks to give black folk an opportunity to get loans. Business loans, home loans. But it is business. While they're not saying this, of course, in the interviews that I've been watching, I don't think it can't be, business-wise, it can't be a free-for-all. The way approvals work and the way this banking industry is, it is still a business. They still have to make money. They still have to follow banking regulations. So you can't just go to the bank and just get a loan just because you're black. It's not working like that. There are still rules, I'm sure. I'm curious to see what those rules are. I'm curious to see how they regulate and how they manage, how they are going to be able to offer better assistance to black folks, if you will. But I overall think it's an amazing thing. They named it Greenwood. Why? Tulsa, Black Wall Street, the Greenwood district. Remember when the white folk came and destroyed that thriving, prosperous black area? So it's named in honor of that. So go to Greenwood. So join me in going to greenwood.com, signing up to get the alerts. I don't think it's launched just yet. It said it launched, but it wouldn't let me. I tried to open an account, but it's only letting me put my email information in to be contacted, I guess, when it goes live. But definitely go check it out. Let's all support. Great way to support black businesses, black banking, black economy. And that's all. Later.